All right, meal prep and cook with me for people of 6 as we get ready to go to a conference. We start at 10:48 a.m. Little known fact, I love cooking. Cooking's a coping skill, it's my love language, and I'm good at it, and I'm teaching my kids. So what we did was, instead of spending excessive money on eating out, with my children being picky and us being busy meeting people, talking to people, and not wanting to wait in lines, I am prepping breakfast and a couple of meals that we will just heat up and take with us. Very similar to when we go camping and do different things. And we will freeze it. And my daughter very much loves helping. My boys love helping. So this is the fast version of making protein packets, breakfast sandwiches, chicken enchiladas, baked meat spaghetti, chicken and rice, and I will make some other things that we will take, egg bites, and some of it I'm also leaving for my husband because he will be on first call this week and he will need fast meals, and we don't eat out a lot, so this is how we function. Also, instead of having to go buy food, this was all food we had in our house, and I'm not spending any extra money out of pocket other than a few times when we're down there, we'll go out to eat and go have fun. But for the most part, my picky children will be able to have some form of food that they like. So follow me for more therapy, food, eating, cooking. It's a good time. It's all coping skills. God bless.